Now today is an amazing day because we're going to show you how to make molasses cake for the 5th day of our 30-day healthy recipe series. Let's go. Molasses is a healthier alternative to white sugar. And did you know that molasses and white sugar makes brown sugar? Okay, so to start off, we're going to add in 1 egg into our bowl. And we're going to mix it in with a half cup of unsalted melted butter. Make sure you don't overbeat your mixture. Now we're going to add in 2/3 cup of our fancy schmancy molasses. We're going to mix. This hurts my back. Let's add in a half cup of very hot water and mix it in. Alright, now we're going to sift in 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I also forgot to add 1 pinch of salt. Let's fold this together. Let's butter and flour our pan. Let's move the flour around. Let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and add our batter to a pan. Let's put our cake in for 30 to 35 minutes. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.